What is up, guys? Thank you for watching another video today. Today we're going to be doing a DSM install video on the Mitsubishi Eclipse. I've been trying to do this mod forever now because we pretty much messed up the original EVO 8 valve cover on the Mitsubishi Eclipse when we were doing the whole engine swap. I actually ended up buying a JDM EVOS 7 valve cover, which I think goes with the build a lot better because it actually says Evolution on the valve cover itself, and it just looks better overall versus all the other valve covers that the EVOS come with. So I'm actually on my way to Lazy's house right now. We're going to be installing it right there, and then we'll probably do like a little cinematic for you guys at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned. It's super cold right now. It's currently 7:30 in the morning. But you know, just rather get there early and get this stuff done with. So let's get out there and we'll see what happens. Pulling up. What the hell? Tony's car's here? Damn. Was good. Hey. Bam. JDM EVOS 7 valve cover. This one's tight because look, it says Evolution.
Did you find this bigger part?
No. Brand new, dude, and it even has valve cover gasket and everything. I do want to basically shave these down. So we're probably gonna have to go to Home Depot and get like a little sanding block, and then we'll mask it and then do all that. But yeah, and then I gotta take out the titanium bolts off the Evo too, because we did do the JDC titanium bolts on this one when I did the cop kit. But I feel like the bolts would look better on the EVO 7 valve cover. So, and I did originally get these for the DSM as well, so we might as well take these out too and then swap them out. So we're actually going to go ahead and start removing all the valve cover bolts from here and the strut tower. And then we're going to basically go ahead and start, you know, putting them on the DSM. This was a clown.
Alright, let's go, man.
Let's go.
Let's go. Protected, right?
Dude, it looks like you're going to prison.
Should give me a cut.
Damn, dude.
God dang, so tempting.
Alright, so we ended up getting all the main bolts on the outside right here. As you can see, all we're missing is the interior bolts in the valve cover to be able to complete the setup. So I went ahead and disconnected the cop kit. Now we should be able to pull it back out. It's stuck on there, so let's see if it comes out. Yeah, I have to be careful though. There you go, it's out. Alright, we ended up getting all the ones inside. This valve cover is filthy. As you can tell, this is the EVO 9 valve cover. The one that DSM has is an EVO 8 valve cover, which is just basically 3 lines. And this is the EVO 7 valve cover, which I think looks way better because it actually says Evolution. And this way we won't be confused with like a Honda engine or something. So yeah, and as you can see, all the titanium bolts are pretty much in place, ready to go. At this point, we're actually going to go ahead and put the cop kit back on the Evo, and I'm actually going to remove these JDC titanium bolts as well. There you go. I think that should be it, right?
That's it.
Yeah,
It
cool.
looks.
So,
Oh.
what?
No, that's not it.
What?
I missed one. That's what happens when you own an Eclipse. But it's a good thing though. If it leaks, you know you still got oil.
Yeah, there you go. Alright, so we got all the titanium bolts from JDC out. The valve cover does look really nice. We're pretty much gonna go ahead and take the Evo out to Home Depot so that we're able to get a sanding block, because I don't want the Evolution letters to be red. I actually want these to look the raw finish of silver. So Home Depot should have like a sanding block, right? Yeah, and then after that we'll sand it, and then we'll start the install process on the DSM here. You wanna drive it?
No.
Drive it.
Really?
Yeah, pull it out though so you don't scrape.
Oh, yeah.
So remember, first gear doesn't really work. It's hard to get into it. I have no fourth gear at all. Third grinds, and the clutch is really stiff. So let's do this. This is what, the second time you drive it?
Second time.
Second time. Then I grind.
Oh, and the fourth pumps.
I'm waiting for the moment where the Evo transmission officially gives out. I've been trying to delay the process because it's like a $2,000 fix, and I don't want to spend that money right now. So I'm trying to make it last as long as I can, but it's just a matter of time before, you know, I have to tow it. Oh, bro, no!
No, third gear is out. Third gear is out.
It's done, dude.
Third gear is not gonna go in.
Do fourth.
Huh?
Try doing fourth.
Dude, how do you drive?
Dude, I don't like driving it because of that, dude. I can't race anybody with it, dude.
Dude, that sucks.
It sucks, dude. It's about to reverse in style. It's a must with these cars, huh? Especially at Home Depot. Gotta flex. Put the windows in.
We gotta flex on our sponsor.
On our sponsor. So besides the transmission, what do you rate it? You need one now or what?
Maybe 10.
10.
Make the noise.
Yeah, this is actually a whole kit. Let's just get the whole kit because I could probably reuse it later anyways too, huh? Alright, let's get out of here.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Alright, so we're about to head back home. Once we get there, we'll start setting the valve cover super carefully because you do not want to scratch it.
I'll let you do that.
I'll do that. I'm a little more careful in my opinion. And we just got to the DSM house, DSM/Evo house.
Got a Talon.
Got the Talon here too.
Got mine over there.
All right, pray for me, guys. I don't want to ruin a brand new valve cover.
Masking tape.
First thing, yeah, masking tape. You basically want to mask around the letters as close as you can to avoid any type of abrasion or scratches. Okay, so I pretty much already kind of masked off most of this thing. I highly doubt we're gonna get any scratch marks. So with this specific sand block, they come with different type of grits, huh? This one feels super rough.
That's the one you want to start with.
Start with this one, start with the rough one, then go medium, then go fine, huh? I'm scared. Alright, so now that we pretty much got the valve cover finished up, we're going to show you guys the old Evo 8 valve cover here and basically start taking it off so that we're actually able to put this one back on. Well, this one on initially, but honestly, I am super happy with how it came out so far, especially with the bolts. Should really complement the engine bay a lot better than, you know, the old one. So alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the stock Evo 8 one. Alright, so this is the OEM Evo 8 one that the car came with. It was powder coated cherry red, but when we removed the engine, we did scratch it in the front and in the back as well, which you can see. I'm going to go ahead and install the Evo 7 one, and I'm going to go ahead and roll a quick cinematic of the car overall and the install, and then we'll go off from there. that was pretty much it for the whole install. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.